Yes, my people, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome to Mr. Indie Man Show. So, you can see we're outside and we have picked two ackee for the ackee tree. A yard man in a foreign. As a yard man in a foreign. So we have picked two ackee for the ackee tree. This is not can ackee. This is a real ackee, my people. See them here? Ackee up on the tree. So I'm going to pick two ackee and big up to all of the new subscribers, them. Big up and thanks. And big up to all of the original subscribers them who did all along the channel from day one. Big up on yourself and thanks for passing through. Thanks for support Mr. Indie Man. You see me I say, and thanks for all of the comment and all of the likes and share. And people, don't forget to like and share the video. Don't forget to like and share the video. Big up on yourself. So like a whole a reason, because you know we always come and whole reason, you know. So today a reason there, so make a whole a reason. So follow me, I pick some ackee. So make a pick some ackee and why we have a reason. Yes, so my people with the outside of the ackee tree, you can see ackee up in the tree, so we have picked two ackee, because you know that thing you go, because if you don't pick them, people are going to pick them. But yeah, man, a yard man in America, man, I pick ackee, man. Don't think say them things you go on a foreign to if you no plant. Me telling you, know, people. Anything on a plant, you not go reap. So if you plant good, you not go reap good. So through we plant ackee tree, that's why we can pick ackee. So watch here, look on the ackee here. Look here. You see that, people? We don't know if you can see it. Ackee. Watch ackee grow, watch it. So as a yard man in a foreign, we there pick ackee and I feed the family. So we have pick the ackee them off a tree. And as me say, this is not Jamaica, this is a Central Florida. So we there pick ackee. We plant the ackee. But people, don't think say people in my foreigner have a good time too. We having a good time too if we plant the food. You see me I say, so we there plant food and I reap the crop. You see me I say, I reap the crop them we plant. So make sure I'm going to pick the ackee them because people will pick them. So I never even know what kind of ackee them here. What you call them here? Them here about a ackee or what? Tell me what kind of ackee them here, people. Tell me what kind of ackee them here. Because I want to know if I bought a ackee or what kind of ackee. I just know it's an ackee tree. You see me? Whole heap of ackee in a tree. I think I can get about 1.5 or 2 dozen out of it. You see me? I think I can get a portion of ackee out of it. You see me? So, yeah, so. See that ackee there on tree? Watch it. Watch it. Ackee. My people. Ackee. You see that? Ackee there for days. So I'm going to tell you how much ackee I pick off it when I'm done. But my people, this is one of the reasons why I want to go back to Jamaica. I want to go back home, go plant up, invest in my country, as you know, and go plant up the soil. You know what I say? Because people think say, I just go back to be a returnee. I go back to be an investor in my country. So I am going back to be an investor in my country. So I'm going to invest in my country. So today I cook ackee and chicken back. Ackee and chicken back for dinner today. So you see me I pick off the ackee them. Ackee and chicken back, people. So ackee and chicken back we are cook. So look at ackee pan ground. Watch out. Ackee pan tree. Ackee pan tree, people. So you see me I say that's a mango tree right there. So we always get fruits off our tree. So this is me I read the tree this good lovely morning, this Sunday morning. I want to make you cook this for my breakfast. You see me? So the one ackee there right there, so let me see if you see it. The one they look beat up. Let me see the rest of them. Yes, so my people are me this I pick ackee off of my ackee tree in my yard. Let me see if we get no more ackee. Yeah, I don't see no more ackee. So I will count how much ackee I get and make you know. So as a yard man in a foreign, at them we are where I live. Watch out. As a yard man in a foreign, at them we are where I live. You see what I say? I say, see that Ackee there right there, so people? It a call my name. It a call my name, you see that? It a call my name, people. See that Ackee? Fresh Ackee from off a Ackee tree. So I put the Ackee in a bag. Yeah, so I'm telling you how much Ackee me get off a tree, cause for Ackee pan ground. You see me I say, so don't forget to like and share and subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave a comment. Yard man I pick Ackee in a foreign. See that? So yard man I pick Ackee in a foreign. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, you see how much? 6. 6 so far. So see there, see bag there? 6 Ackee in a bag so far. So this is a half dozen. It's a half dozen. I think me get about a dozen or look a bit more of a dozen still. But see there? See it there, people? Ackee for days. Yeah, so my people, I get 2 dozen Ackee. 2 dozen, 24. So I get 2 dozen Ackee today. Watch ya. Watch ya. Look for Ackee when I get off of my tree. Watch ya. Look for Ackee. Look there. Look for Ackee, people. Fresh Ackee. Watch it. You see that? Fresh Ackee. So